Good morning children. Now we are going to see the sixth sum. Prove that the term independent of x in the expansion of x plus 1 by x the whole power 2n is 1 into 3 into 5 then dot dot up to 2n minus 1 then 2 power n factorial. Okay, now we are going to start the solution with comparing with the binomial theorem. So the solution, we are just comparing with the binomial theorem and writing n is equal to 2n in the place of n 2n, x equal to x, then a equal to 1 by x. Okay, x plus a only the binomial theorem, no? So x equal to x, a equal to, then n equal to we have written. Next we are writing the general term. The general term. So general term, we know what is the general term. TR plus 1 is equal to NCR x power n minus r into a power r. So this is the general term. Next what we are doing, we are going to substitute these values in equation 1. So what we will be getting, TR plus 1 is equal to substitute values in 1. Okay, so TR plus 1 is equal to, what is the n value we are getting here? 2n. C, then r value we don't know, then x, then what is the n value? 2n minus r, then 1 minus x the whole power r. So therefore 2ncr, then x power 2n minus r, then 1 power r by x power r. Next you take the x power r to the numerator, 2ncr x power 2n minus r, then x power minus r, then 2ncr, then x power 2n minus 2r you will be getting. Because the bases are same means you can add the powers. So that implies 2ncr, then x power 2n minus r. Okay, so therefore minus 2r you will be getting. Next they have given the term independent of x. So the term independent of x. So that implies 2n minus 2r equal to 0. And TR plus 1 is equal to, you write it as equation 2. So 2n is equal to 2r. Then n is equal to r, you write it. So that implies what we can write it as, r is equal to n, you just change it. Okay, now we are going to substitute r equal to n in equation 2. Put r equal to n in equation 2. Okay, in equation 2 I am going to substitute it. So Tn plus 1 is equal to 2n Cn, okay, x power 2n minus 2n, then 2n Cn x power 0, then 2n Cn you will be getting. So x power 0 means what is the value? X power 0 means the value is 1. So into 1. So therefore what is the answer? You will be getting 2n Cn you will be getting. So that is Tn plus 1. Okay, first you just compare and write what are the values. Next you write the general term. In the general term you just substitute the values. Next you find out the what is the r value. Then you just substitute the r equal to n in equation 2. Then lastly you will be getting this term. So using this term we are going to write down this equation. So we know the formula NCR is equal to n factorial by r factorial n minus r the whole factorial, we know it. So using that one we are writing 2n is equal to 2n they have given, r equal to n we itself find out it. So using that we are writing 2n Cn is equal to 2n the factorial by Next n factorial, then what we are writing 2n minus n the factorial. So that implies 2n factorial by n factorial n factorial. So this is the term we are getting, for which tn plus 1 we are getting this term. Okay, next what we are going to do it, we are going to expand this one. So 2n if you expand means what is the term you will be getting? 2n minus 1, 2n minus 2, then dot 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 up to what is the term you will be getting? 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 by n factorial, then n factorial you will get. Okay, after this one we have to separate the even and odd terms, okay, in the numerator. Okay, even and odd terms we have to separate from the numerator. How we are going to separate it? 2n minus 2, then 2n minus 4, then dot dot 4 into 2. This is the even term first of all. Next is 2n minus 1, 2n minus 3, then dot 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 up to what we will be getting? 3 into 1. So this is the odd term by n factorial, n factorial. Next what I am going to do, in this even term I am going to take the 2 alone outside. So 2 alone I am taking the outside means here n term is there. So how I can write? 2 power n terms I am taking outside. Next what will be the remaining? N into n minus 1, n minus 2, then up to 2 into 1. Then here what will be getting? 2n minus 1, then 2n minus 3, then dot 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 up to 3 into 1 by n factorial, n factorial. Here you see n into n minus 1, n minus 2, in the sense it is the factorial, n factorial. If you expand the n factorial means we will be getting like this. So I am writing as 2 power n, n factorial, 2n minus 1, 2n minus 3, then dot dot 3 into 1 by n factorial, n factorial. So next what you do? You just cancel the terms, commonly cancel the terms. So that implies 2 power n, then 2n minus 1, then 2n minus 3, then dot 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 3 into 1 by n factorial. Next we are going to rearrange the term 2n, 1 into 3 into 5. Just from this order onwards I am writing. Then up to 2n minus 3, then 2n minus 1, then by n factorial. Therefore hence proved. So what they have said to prove, we have proved. Okay, you go to the question and you just see what they have said to prove it.